Most people already gave up on 2025. They've accepted defeat, saying things like, I'll start next year, I'll fix my life in 2026, or I'll get serious soon. But here's the truth. You still have 3 months left. And these 3 months can completely rewrite your story. This isn't a time to wait. This is a time to move in silence and rebuild everything they thought you couldn't. The last 90 days of 2025 are your golden window, your comeback season, the part of the movie where the main character rises from rock bottom and shocks everyone. So stop saying it's too late. Stop waiting for the right moment, because the right moment is right now. Let me ask you something. Where were you at the start of 2025? What goals did you set? How many of them did you actually chase? You probably had plans to get in shape, to build your money, to fix your mindset, to glow up and become that version of yourself you dreamed of. But somewhere along the way, life happened. You got distracted. You lost focus. You got tired. And that's okay. Everyone falls off. But what matters now is what you do next. Because you still have 3 months left to change your entire life. That's around 90 days, 12 weeks, or 2,000 hours. Enough time to completely rebuild your body, your discipline, your habits, and your entire mindset. If you go all in right now, you can start 2026 as a completely different person. This is your comeback era, your silent season. You're proof to yourself that you can rise no matter how low you fell. So let's break this down. How do you actually make your greatest comeback in these 3 months? Not just a temporary motivation boost, a real transformation that people will see and feel when you walk into a room. First, the mindset shift. Stop thinking you need more time. You don't need more time. You need more focus. You need to decide that these 3 months are not a waiting period. They're your rebirth. Think about it. While everyone else is wasting time saying, new year, new me, you could already be ahead. You could already be glowing, already building, already leveling up while they're still making excuses. This is what separates men who talk from men who act. Winners don't wait for January. They start when everyone else stops. So if you really want your life to change, stop delaying it. You can start today, not tomorrow, not next week, today. Second, take back your discipline. Your comeback depends on how consistent you become, not how motivated you feel. You can't rely on hype videos or energy bursts. You have to wake up, get your shit done, and repeat it every single day, even when no one's watching. Because that's what builds power. That's what builds glow. That's what builds respect. Forget being perfect. Just be consistent. Even small steps done daily can change your life in 3 months. Stop skipping days. Stop saying, I'll do it later. Later becomes never. Remember this. Every rep, every meal, every choice, all compounds. You might not notice it right away, but by the end of December, the results will be unrecognizable. Third, rebuild your body. Your physical glow-up is your foundation. When your body gets stronger, your mind follows. When you feel confident in your skin, your aura changes. So for the next 3 months, train like you have something to prove. Eat clean, sleep properly, drink water, fix your posture, lift weights, do cardio, stretch, take care of your skin. Don't do it to impress anyone. Do it because this is your comeback season. Do it because you're tired of being average. Do it because you want to look in the mirror and finally respect who you see. If you stay consistent with your body, the transformation will be crazy. Your jawline will sharpen, your skin will glow, your energy will rise, and most importantly, your confidence will become magnetic. Fourth, your thoughts shape your reality. If your mind is messy, your life will be messy too. So start decluttering your head. Distance yourself from things that drain your energy. Social media drama, negative people, toxic habits. All of it. Cut it off. Spend more time alone. Not lonely, alone. Use silence to rebuild your focus and reconnect with your goals. In these 3 months, protect your peace like it's your last resource. Because when your mind is calm, your energy becomes dangerous. You start walking with purpose. You stop chasing and start attracting. And that's when people start noticing your glow. Not because you're loud, but because your silence speaks louder than words. Fifth, get your routines back in control. Every comeback needs structure. You can't glow up with chaos. So rebuild your day. Wake up early. Make your bed. Eat right, hit the gym, work on your craft, read, sleep on time. You don't have to be perfect, but be disciplined enough to stay in control. Track your days, measure your effort. Every small win adds up. Because here's the thing, momentum is everything. Once you get moving, you won't want to stop. You'll start enjoying the grind. And that's when transformation becomes addictive. 6, the revenge energy. But not revenge on others. Revenge on your old self. This is your time to silently destroy your past version. The lazy, unfocused, emotional one who wasted time, cared too much, and settled for less. You owe it. Remember, this comeback isn't about proving them wrong. It's about proving yourself right. Now let's talk reality. The next 3 months won't be easy. You'll face lazy mornings, mental blocks, temptations, and doubts. But that's what makes this comeback real. If you can push through this, when it's cold, quiet, and everyone's quitting, you'll be unstoppable next year. Winter is the season of warriors. When everyone hides, you grind. When everyone rests, you rise. This is your time to build in silence and shock everyone when the year ends. Imagine this. It's December 31st. You're looking in the mirror. You don't even recognize yourself anymore. Your body's sharper. Your skin glows. Your mindset's bulletproof. You're finally at peace, not because life got easier, but because you got stronger. You'll smile quietly because you know what you did. You didn't wait for the new year. You didn't talk about it. You worked for it. While others were sleeping on their potential, you were awake building yours. And now, you're walking into 2026 with a new story, a new version of you, and a new level of confidence. So if you're watching this right now, let this be your sign. Stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop planning. Start acting. You have 3 months. That's all you need to change everything. Build your body. Discipline your mind. Protect your peace. Fix your energy. And move in silence. Because by the time 2025 ends, you'll either be proud or regretful, and the choice is yours. Don't let another year end with the same excuses. This time, make it your greatest comeback. Remember, this isn't about the gym or the money. It's about becoming the one who never gives up. Your story doesn't end here. It begins again. See you in the next one. Take care.